Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn and today we'll be roasting some cabbage and onions in the air fryer. Now roasting is such a great way to cook cabbage because as the cabbage turns brown or caramelizes, it becomes sweeter. Now roasting brings out some amazing flavors from the cabbage and onions, and the best thing about this recipe is that it can be paired with a variety of dishes. To start off, we're going to be needing just a few ingredients you may already have at home. I have half a medium-sized cabbage that has been washed and roughly chopped, half of one medium-sized white onion, sliced of course, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and some salt. So to bring it all together, I'll start off by drizzling the olive oil over the cabbage. And right after that, I'll be adding the black pepper, followed by some garlic powder and some salt to taste. And then using my hand, I'll mix everything well before adding the sliced onions. And please guys, take a moment to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Next, I'll gently pour in the onions and mix thoroughly. And also for this recipe, you can also use some red onions if that's what you have. It also works fine. I love cabbage and this is a great way to turn that simple cabbage into something really impressive because they are going to get so soft and delicious. So guys, all the measurements for this recipe will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Now the next thing we're going to do is to pour them into the air fryer basket, and I'm going to roast them at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes until the cabbage begins to brown, and you're going to have to stir them at intervals so that they cook evenly. Now you'll notice that once cooked, the cabbage becomes tender, sweet and caramelized. Now this is me stirring it again just to ensure that they are cooking evenly, and once your cabbage and onions are well roasted, you're going to take them out of the air fryer and look at the gorgeous color guys. And not to mention that cabbage is really healthy for you and you should really eat it more if you don't eat it as often. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and I hope you give the recipe a try. Don't also forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.